Hi, how are you? We're changing the auxiliary battery on a 2015 Mercedes S-Class Coupe. The main car battery is located right behind the back seat of the vehicle in here. And then the auxiliary battery, which we went and bought one at Advanced Auto Parts because it's Sunday and the dealer's closed today. We usually use original parts, but today we had to make an exception, so this car will go back on the rental. It's located on the passenger side, right under the fuse box. There's a little spot down there where both cables go. I'll show you guys. All you need to do this job is a number 13 socket, plier, and a number 10, and you'll be able to get this whole job complete. So we really appreciate you guys checking it out. If you need any help, you could just comment any questions and we'll let you know how to do it. Thank you. All right, so we're gonna go ahead now and connect the terminals back on. It comes in this little case, which is where the battery sits, and it also protects from the terminals hitting the chassis at any point. So you want to go ahead and put the battery facing this way. You're going to put your positive cable first, and then you're going to put your negative cable, and then I'll show you guys after how you put this in so you can slide it in easily without hitting the chassis at any point and causing any sort of short or anything like that. All right, so this is the plastic that the Mercedes puts their battery in. You slide the battery in right here, boom, and then you'll be able to slide it back on. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the part number for this battery. So if you do want to go to Advanced Auto Parts and buy it, they made me take the factory battery because they didn't have it in their system. So if you want to zoom in right here real quick, it's the TX14 is the proper battery to use for the Mercedes. They don't have it in their system, so you would have to take the battery out, take it to them to compare it. If you just go and ask for this, you will save that part of the process that we had to go through. But if you go right here, you see it protects everything pretty well right there, perfect. This is the brace that goes over it to hold it. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide it back in here. All right, so I went in and I already put the metal plate back in. The longer side goes towards the back of the battery. The shorter side goes towards the front so it doesn't obstruct the terminals in any way. So I'm gonna go ahead and here's the number 13 nut, and I'm gonna put it back in, tighten them reasonably, and then I'll show you guys how to put all this back up. All right, so the battery's nice and tight, everything is in there. We're gonna put it back together. You'll see, here's the clip for your 12 volt that goes on the side of the trunk. This just pops right back in here. Boom, back in place. We'll slide all this back to where it goes. All the rubber seals. We went stingy here and didn't remove the trunk panel just so that we could save a little bit of time. So it might be a little bit harder to put this back in, but it'll save unscrewing a few screws. It's got to go back out on a rental. Alright, so putting all the little plastics back in that hold everything in place. I'll show you guys there's a few clips that go around the trunk that are these plastic clips right here, which you could just pop them on easily, and to take them off, you take them off with a flathead. There's a few back here, there's a couple up on the top, and then there's this little mount with a screw right there. Once you do that, you're all done. So hopefully you guys learned from it, and it made it a whole lot easier than it did for me to locate where the battery was, because there was nothing online or anybody helping out to let me know where the battery was located. Here's the metal brace that goes here where the trunk goes, just so you can get an idea how it works. It pops in on all of these and has two little clips, one on each side, which will hold it in. To take it out, you pop these clips out, put it out a little bit, it'll pop straight out. To put it in, it's just straight down, and then put the clips. take out your little tip from your screwdriver, and you could just shove it in right here, and you could just walk it across, and it'll help you very easily pop this back on without taking off this whole rubber seal, which will then be a headache to put back on. You just run it across, probably take you a couple minutes, rather than take this whole thing off and it'll never stick back the same on the side. So I'd rather not just take them off. For me, it's just much easier to do this, and you'll be done in a quick minute, and everything's done. You'll be back good to go. All right, so the job is complete. Everything is back to OEM. What you also want to do, I recommend, is turning the car on. You'll see it might, sometimes they'll say auxiliary battery malfunction still. Just leave it on for like 2-3 minutes, let everything charge up real good. Turn it off, let everything reset, turn it back on, and you'll be good to go.